Okay, let's take care of this gigantic mitten. So let's cut this piece off. Turn that to a hole. Let's move it up. Let's use F to frame. Okay. So just moving this into place. So I'm going to move this a little forward. I want to cut it off around where it's touching this bottom snowball. So pull it out a little bit to get the tip there. Okay. All right, that looks pretty good. So let's select the arm and group it. Okay, cool. Now let's move this guy into place. He's grouped. So let's rotate him 90 degrees and then another 90 degrees, and then let's scale him down. Hold shift, left mouse click. Okay, now let's move it into place. Okay, click F to frame, and let's right arrow click this over. Let's kind of get it in this place. It's a little big, so let's make them smaller. Oops. Let's move that out. Let's see how it looks compared to the other one. It's pretty close. All right. Maybe a little smaller. Okay. Okay, so let's put this into position. So I'll raise him up, the mitten up. And then I'm going to rotate it, the outside dial. And then let's do the same here. And we want it to look like it's covering over his wrist, so let's move the mitten in a little more. Okay. Maybe just rotate it a little down. There we go. And then let's ungroup and then just affect this part here. Just move it into position so it looks like it's fitting over there. Okay, that looks better. We can do a little bit of this with this part of the mitten as well. Okay. All right. There we go. We got a mitten on there. So let's put a broom in his hand in the next lesson.
Thanks for watching. And if you like what you see and you want to